Okay, so we're going to need some pins for this spoke gear. We're going to make those using our banded together steel bars, and we're going to use this jig as well. So we're going to put the jig into the vise nice and high as you can get it, and then you're going to feed in the 8 steel bars into the holes. You've managed to squeeze it together and get it through this stage. And what that does, it provides a stop, and it's going to cut 8 at the same distance. We're going to use a junior hacksaw for this. This is heavier and generally quicker, but the teeth are too big on a normal hacksaw, and you need at least 2 teeth in contact with a bar in order for it not to kind of bounce into the to bounce around and to get caught. But these teeth are much smaller, so we use the junior hacksaw. So feed it in. You're going to hold the left hand side, and you put the junior hacksaw right on that point there on this side, and you're going to cut. It will take a little bit of time because there's 8 of them, but you've only got it once. Okay, so we've made 8 little spokes, and they should be in there, hopefully caught, but they get caught, they might be on the floor, so just rescue your 8. You're then going to take some pliers. These are fairly normal pliers. You want the longer nose ones, the long nose pliers, but these do work. You need to transfer the spoke into this one here, so that you've got an even amount, you've got it kind of gripped symmetrically, and then you need to go over to, you need 2 of these. You're going to put one of these in each hole. So you're going to line up with the hole, it's a bit fiddly, and then you're going to take a little hammer, and we're just going to go tap, tap, tap. You're going to work on a drilling board, because as you go through, I don't want it damaging this table. And this way you can actually thump it right in, and you can make sure it goes to the right depth. You don't want it going out too far the other side though, so make sure you just go nice and gentle, and then just keep checking and just give it a firm whack at the end. Okay, do one more of those. Transfer to the left hand. Line it up, you want to move it around till it goes into the hole, and we just go tap, tap, tap. When you're using a hammer, what you never want to do is to do it this way. Really what you want to do is to think of it, if you're hammering a nail, think of it going through the axes of that nail. So it's a bit more of a straight motion than a bendy motion, which is going to bend that nail. You want to be pushing down the axes. And that's true here as well. I've got this one started. I'm going to be pushing it with the hammer more than whacking it or moving it sideways.